Hello guys, I know you are struggling to get viewers, subscribers on your channel, but see, never you give up. Never you give up because of you are not getting viewers or subscribers on your channel, then you abandon your channel. Let me tell you, consistently is the key no matter what. Consistently is the key. Keep on posting. In a day, make sure you drop a video, even if na one or two video. But the mistake we YouTubers do is that when we made a video, during the time of posting, we post that video direct without putting it public or unlisted. If you want to post a video on your channel, make sure you unlist that video, like let me say 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, or 24 hours, so that YouTube will understand what your video is all about, which people that YouTube is going to push your which people YouTube will push your video. And another thing is that when you are posting a video, make sure you use thumbnail for your video. Make sure you create a thumbnail for your video, like create thumbnail is all about telling viewers what your video is all about. That is the work of thumbnail. Set eye-catching thumbnail for your video. It will attract viewers. It will attract viewers for your channel, because once you put eye-catching thumbnail, when someone scroll and see your video and see that thumbnail, your write-up, that person is going to click on it to watch what that video is all about. So if you made a video, make sure you post a video with thumbnail. Don't just make a video and post it direct without thumbnail and put your video public. First of all, put your video unlisted or privately. Then in some hours, like 3 hours, 4 hours, or even 24 hours, then you put it public. Unlist your video for YouTube. Just give YouTube time to understand what your video is all about. It's not that much. It's not that difficult. So guys, we pray, we hope on God that no matter what, no matter the circumstances, no matter no viewers, no matter no subscribers, we are going to conquer. We are going to win this journey. And if you are a new YouTuber, drop your niche in comment section. I'm going to go through your YouTube channel and tell you if your YouTube is good to go or not. So thank you all, and don't forget to subscribe and also like this video and share this video to your friends. Thank you all. Thank you.